Did you know Canva is packed with powerful AI tools that go way beyond just design? From AI-driven image creation to unique text art, caricature tools, and even whiteboard animations for engaging kids' story videos, Canva has it all. In today's tutorial, I'll reveal the 10 best AI apps Canva offers in 2024. Plus, stick around until the end to learn how you can earn a steady side hustle using only Canva AI apps. So, let's dive in and get started.
The first app which I'm going to talk about, you will get that app in dashboard in the beginning. Go to this, see launch, latest launch option. This is a pro app. So if you don't have a pro account, I would strongly encourage you to go to my affiliate link given in the description and have 30 days free trial of Canva Pro. Now go to this try Dreamlab option. I'm giving one detailed prompt. From here, you can choose any of these aspect ratios. I'm going for 16:9. You can go to the smart option in order to get different types of styles. Or if you are like mentioning any style, then you can select none. Okay, for the time being, I'm keeping none and then hit create. They will create 4 versions of images. So I have got these images. I would say these are pretty realistic. Prompt which I have provided. This is one image which I really like, and the second one is this one. I really like this. So you can either go to use in design option, so it will directly come to the design. Otherwise, you can download also. Okay, so this is the first app I want to mention. Now let us move forward to the second app. Next app which I'm going to talk about is for whiteboard animation. Go to app section. Then go to AI powered app. Give speed painter. For these, you'll have to go to speed painter, give a space, and then go to the speed painter option. Go to this speed painter option. Choose the file. Let me choose this Goldilocks file and open. Here, I would keep 3 seconds for sketching and 5 seconds for coloring, and then you can simply generate it. Right click, set it as background, and then you can play it.
Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part.
Again, go to app section. Then here you'll have to give sketch to live. Give sketch, you will get this sketch to live option. Open. This is also similar kind of app. Okay. Here you will have to sketch anything. Let's suppose I'm sketching. Now here you'll have to give, explain what you want, and then generate. This app gives 7 credits per day. See how nicely they have created this image. A bear is reading a book with wearing glasses. That's what I explained. Now remaining part, you can either selecting this, go to edit photo option. Since this is only giving 1:1, so if you want to change it, just go to edit photo option, then go to magic expand, hold page, and then magic expand. Well, I would like to go for this one and done. This is how you can create anything with a simple sketch in Sketch to Life app. Let's move forward to the next app. Next app which I'm going to talk about is Google's text to image application. So for this, again go to app section, then here write imagine and go to imagine this option, then open. Here you'll have to give a prompt. So let's take a prompt. Imagine works really well when you give a very specific and small prompt. Well, see how nicely they have generated, but here I cannot see any cup, but overall the image is quite nice, quite good. You can add some more specification like Ultra HD, photogenic, then it will be more realistic. But overall, the images are pretty satisfactory. Next app which I'm going to talk about is Voxel Art. Go to AI powered app and type Voxel. Then go to Voxel Art. Here you have two options. One is pixel art, one is voxel art. So go for voxel art and open. Here you may choose any of your children image or child's image and then change it into a pixel art. So let me get this one. See, they have created this beautiful image from here. Happy by creating such pixel art. Okay, you get I think 3 credits per day. Now let us go and check the next software. Go to this Pixel Art Studio. And this is from Pixel Art. This is the result from Pixel Art. Let's move forward to the next software. And go to AI powered app and then go to Caricature Maker. Caricature Maker and take this one. Here open. Here you'll have to just give the name. So you can remove background also. That will take additional credit, but I don't want that. So generate. I have given Einstein with big nose. So they have created this. You can take any other. So try an example here. A woman with curly hair and round face. I'm trying this. And let's go generate. See, they have created such a beautiful image. So you can use such images to create funny posters. Now next software which I'm going to talk about is Colorize. So go to Colorize, go to this option and go to this first option. Choose a black and white picture. So let me take a black and white picture and then colorize it. They have created such a wonderful colorful picture of Albert Einstein. This was the actual picture. Go to app section, go to AI powered app and make text maker. Go to this first app. This is a wonderful app which I regularly use to create thumbnails. Let's suppose I'm creating a thumbnail on Albert Einstein. So here you get beautiful word art format. So you can take any of these. Let's suppose I'm taking this one. Select it and just paste the name. Here let's suppose I'm giving Albert Einstein. Okay. Here you can make it jiggle also if you want. Just click on jiggle and click this. And then you can change the angle. I feel 3 works really well. So see how nicely they have created this. And if you go back, if you want any other instead of this, then you can just go backwards and check. See, this one is also very nice. You can also further customize. You can change the color or the color concept altogether and add to design. It will be medium quality. If you want high quality, you will have to take their own subscription and add to design. This is all about TextMaker. Let's move forward to the next application. For accessing next application, go to app section here again. This is also about creating text only. Go to this search bar and type gradient. Go to this type gradient option. Here also same thing. I will type Albert Einstein. From here you can change to different fonts. There are different fonts available here. But let me take the same font, or I can take this one. Once you select the font, you can see how will it look. Now from here you can change the color also if you want. Let's suppose I'm taking this yellow color. This right side, if you bring, it will be greenish, and here it will be kind of sky bluish. If you want to add one more color, then select anywhere in between and give a little bit purplish tone, and then blue. And then if you want the color to be coming like this, you can just perpetually select it like so. Add to design. See how nicely they have created this. Let me just paste it here. We just need to add a background here. So go to this element section, give shape. Whenever you will use this gradient, this is also something which I use daily basis. Then you try to take one background, shape background, and try to make it black. Let's cover the entire text. Go to position, go to layer, make sure it is behind, text is behind it. Just cover all the entire text, bring the text at the middle, and then selecting both together, bring them at the middle. See how bright it looks. So do let me know which one you chose, you liked the most. Okay, let's move forward to the next app, which is going to be the final app. Give profile photo. This is very useful for creating your own profile photo for Instagram or even for bio data. Yeah, you'll have to say whether it is male or female. Choose the file, open. I go for male. Okay, here they will be generating a professional picture. You can retain the previous facial expression and generate. They will take 2 credits per generation.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.wagpaymedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.